Hey everybody, hope you're doing great today. In today's 5-Minute Friday video, I'm going to talk about the importance of getting a pre-approval letter when you plan on buying a home. And when you go to the store, for example, let's say you need to buy a pair of jeans, you're going to buy a couple pairs of jeans, your old jeans are worn, you need new ones. So you're going to go to the store knowing that yes, either you have enough cash in your wallet to cover buying 2 pairs of jeans, or you know you have enough credit on your credit card that when you go you can charge, it won't get denied for buying 2 pairs of jeans. Same thing when you buy a house. When you're going to buy a house, if you don't have a pre-approval letter, you really don't know what house range you should be shopping in. In most cases, buyers are looking at the monthly payment. How much is their monthly payment? Does it fit within their budget? And does it buy them the house that they want to buy? So during the pre-approval process with a mortgage lender, the lender is going to sit down with you. They're going to look at your income, your debts, your assets, and they're going to give you an upper amount on the pre-approval letter. So for example, let's say you get pre-approved, you can buy a house for $400,000. Whether you want to buy a house at that price range or not, that's up to you. You need to look at your budget. Does it fit within your budget? And maybe you want some cushion, maybe you want some gap. It also depends on your life situation. You might not want an expensive house. You might be in the downsizing phase. You might be in the no kids, no family phase. So you might just want to go with a cheaper house. That way you have a lower payments. That saves you money over time. So by knowing that upper amount, you can calculate your monthly payment. You can calculate what the amount of principal and interest will be based on the interest rate and based on the amount of the house purchase price is going to be. So once you have those numbers, then you can go take a look online, start browsing houses within the price range that interest you, within the neighborhoods that interest you. That way you know, okay, this is the price range I can afford, this is the price range I want to go. So that way you can avoid neighborhoods that don't make sense, that are priced well above that. Even though they might be great neighborhoods, you might like those neighborhoods, but they're not within your budget. Find a neighborhood that is. So pre-approval letters are good for 60 to 90 days. Some might be good for longer. It depends on your lender. That's a question to ask your lender. Once I get this pre-approval letter, how long is it good for? Especially in a market where it's a buyer's market, you have more time, to find that right house. You don't have to bid against other buyers. Then it helps to know, okay, how long is this pre-approval letter good for? And then also find out from your lender what needs to be done to update that pre-approval letter. So when it comes to updating pre-approval letter, assuming if nothing's changed, you got the same job, you got the same current residence, you've got the same amount of debts and whatnot, that pre-approval letter should not change. Now if you do happen to change jobs, or you do happen to say take out a loan to buy a new car or buy some furniture or something like that, that might change the amount of your pre-approval letter. And it's always something to ask your lender. Even if you're in an existing time period, you just got pre-approval last week, you got your pre-approval letter last week, and reach out to your lender and say, hey, my car's beyond its last legs, I need to get a new car, I plan on leasing or I plan on buying, this is the type of car and this is the price of the car I'm going to buy. How will this impact my pre-approval letter? That way you know if you're going to get a big drop in your pre-approval letter by buying this car, it's better maybe you can wait. If you know you're going to buy a house in 30 to 60 days, you're going to put an offer here within 30 days, you can close within 60 days depending on you have all the money, you have all the funds, the inspection goes fine. So then after that, then you need to go buy a car, and then it doesn't matter, you've already got the pre-approval letter, you closed on the house, then you can go buy your car, you can go buy your furniture as they fit in your budget. So final thoughts, get a pre-approval letter before you buy your home. If you don't know a lender, talk to your local bank, look for mortgage brokers, ask a realtor, reach out to a realtor ahead of time and say, hey, I'm interested in buying a house, I plan on buying within this time frame. Send me the name of 3 different lenders that you know and work with. And don't just talk to one lender, talk to a couple different lenders, find out the different programs, the different rates, and what kind of benefits that they offer you. Hope that helps. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other questions, if you have any other suggested topics for future 5-Minute Friday videos, please drop in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.